Utrecht Fluid Acrylics dry to a beautiful matte finish. Easy, smooth, free-flowing. They remain flexible when completely dry and are very, very easy to work with. Their smooth consistency allows you to work without retaining brush marks or peaks like you would get with a heavy body or acrylic, yet it still has all the vibrancy, opacity, and great color of a heavier or mid-body acrylic. This is a fine art paint and designed for an experienced or even a beginner artist so that they all get great results. The Utrecht Fluid Acrylics have exceptional pigmentation and great opacity, allowing you to work on a variety of surfaces. They also have a fantastic spread rate, so you can move color around over large expanses of canvas using very small quantities of paint. These beautiful pigmentation in these acrylics allows you to get great vibrancy of color on almost any surface, making them ideal for watercolor techniques and a variety of oil techniques when used with extenders or retarders. Even with just water, you get great transparency and beautiful tone. The colors intermix very easily and very smoothly, allowing you to do a wide range of techniques and create a great variety of effects. For most artists, consistent quality and pigmentation and the ability to mix colors consistently is very, very important. The Utrecht Fluid Acrylics have that quality. These permanent pigments with great solids give you excellent coverage and beautiful mixability. From wet into wet techniques, layering techniques, glazing techniques, all of them are possible with these fluid acrylics. The vibrancy and viscosity of the Utrecht Fluid Acrylics allows you to create wonderful tones for glazing techniques, shading, highlighting, without ever losing the intensity of the color, and very little thinning is required. The great viscosity of this paint makes it very easy to dry brush with for highlighting, for shading, for adding realism or depth. You'll find these Utrecht acrylics will work with almost any technique that you have. Thinning them out just slightly makes them excellent for tiny detail. So whenever you want to add crisp lines, fine design elements, you can do it with very little fluid. You can even use them straight out of the bottle with no thinning at all. Utrecht Fluid Acrylic line also has two metallics, a gold and a silver. Highly pigmented and have great reflectivity and are excellent for doing a variety of faux finishes and metal effects within your artwork. The Utrecht Fluid Acrylics are also compatible with the Blick and the Utrecht brand of acrylic mediums, giving them all of the versatility and flexibility of the higher priced brands.